Everyone, how it's going with you. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem on your Viber. Just follow me in this video step by step till the end. So let's start, guys. So first, you don't need to open your Viber. Go directly and open your settings. So here on your settings of your phone, go directly to apps option. You will find here all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search only for Viber. When you find Viber, just click on it and open it. You will find this. Let's scroll down. Let's go to storage. Here, guys, click on clear cache, but don't click on clear data because it will delete your data. I used it before, that's why I can't click on it. And also, guys, here you have to click on force stop. I used it before, that's why I can't click on it. Then go to battery and click allow it on optimized mode, and go back and go to permissions and allow permissions, all of this options right here. Then go to your Play Store, check your Viber if it's updated on the last version or not, and then you have to restart your phone. So that's it, guys, in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another